I don't know if Vistaprint employs people from Holland, but I'd expect so. The cost of living in Holland is about half. It's just, I think, under half what it costs to live here. So to live in Amsterdam probably isn't a whole lot. However, to get the prime real estate in Amsterdam, you probably have to be Dutch, because I know they got requirements like that. So the Vistaprint is based in Holland, and both this mask and this hat was made in Holland. They made this hat for me for $17, and after I bought this hat, I bought this hat and I bought 3 hats, and then later on I bought 3 hats more. And so I think for the future, maybe every 6 months I'll buy 3 hats from these guys, and that's like about $60 worth. It's well worth it. Can't wait until they're able to print these things, but currently all they got is these basic patterns. And they give this, I think this one costs like, the mask, I think it costs like $16, and then if you spent like $4 more, if it was a $20 mask, they give you a filter with it. So they give me a filter with this. And someone just commented me on the mask, so I know it's pretty good. I bought from one called Red Bubble. It took forever to ship it to me, and it was $10 a mask, and they're really shabby masks. One of the elastic just ripped off of it. The only saving grace of their masks is that you can print anything you want on their masks, and they pay off designers. They'll have designers design custom content for them, and if you buy the mask, then they get a royalty off of that. So that's nice. But it took forever to get my masks. It took at least a month, and it just wasn't that good a quality mask. So when I use it more for a facade, for vanity, than I use for actually as a mask. So anyhow.